Okay, so first of all, you're going to need a 36mm socket to unscrew the oil filter cap and take the oil filter cap and the oil filter cartridge out of the housing. Next, you're going to need a T27 Torx bit, and you're going to want to loosen these two black Torx bits on the bottom here. Just loosen them, one right there and one right there. And then you're going to want to completely remove the Torx bit in the back here, right here. Okay, so once you have that Torx bit removed and the back one's loosened up, then you'll be ready to remove the drain tube. Now you're going to want to use a magnet to help you get the bolt in the back out once you've loosened it all the way. And then all you need to do is twist this counterclockwise, pull it out. Alright, so we've got the new drain tube here. The reason for replacement on this truck is because the old one had broken because of the use of an aftermarket Napa filter and a Napa aftermarket oil filter cap. So I recommend when you're replacing parts like these, just use Ford OEM Motorcraft parts. These engines are very finicky when it comes to this stuff, and I wouldn't risk it. Okay, we almost had catastrophic engine failure on this engine because an OEM filter was installed with an aftermarket cap, and there was no oil getting circulated to the engine. So my recommendation, just use Ford Motorcraft parts. But you'll see that, so it comes with a new O-ring like this, and you're going to need to remove the old O-ring out of that circle there and put the new one in. So the new O-ring is in. Now we're just going to put the tube in and turn it clockwise, the exact reverse of removal. Go ahead and tighten the bolt down, whether it's the old one or if you got a new one. And tighten the back bolts as well. And there you have it. Your new drain tube is installed.